Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the gift card value and expiry date. This ensures you won't be surprised at checkout. Once done, compare the card number and PIN against the receipt and take a quick photo for your records. Make sure to carry a valid photo ID when visiting a Kalyan Jewellers store, because staff may request identity verification. Start the transaction at a counter or pick items on the floor while keeping the card accessible. Don't reveal the PIN until you're at payment. You now proceed to redeem. In store, hand the card, receipt, and ID to the cashier before billing so they can apply the value correctly. If using online shopping, enter the card number and PIN exactly on the Kalyan Jewellers payment page and verify the applied amount in the order summary. Once the system accepts the card, make up any shortfall with another payment method. Also remember to request a balance confirmation slip or email. This helps you track any remaining funds for a later visit. Finish the purchase by collecting the printed receipt that shows the gift card deduction and any leftover balance. Keep this for proof. If the card is declined, first recheck the PIN, expiry date, and whether the card was activated at issue. Mistakes here are common. If problems persist, escalate calmly. Ask for the store manager and call Kalyan customer care with the card number and your receipt or photo proof. This combination usually resolves activation or balance errors within 1 to 2 business days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.